PCSA stock analysis and PCSA stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this page that's done 42,000 videos over 5 years, so I have seen what's making me money and what's not. I mean, briefly overlooking Procesa Pharmaceuticals. I guess that's how you pronounce it, but this thing was just going nuts, you know. It pumped up like crazy and then had this dump correction, which a big sort of play here with these sort of tickers, you know, when it's going down like crazy, it's going to have these pump and dumps. And you can see even like it did follow this structure where this was the supply zone and then it still fell. I mean, this red part is not going to change. More likely than not, we're still about to freaking deliver lower. But yeah, I do have previous receipts here. PCSA, full results. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails. There's really like nothing else that I would be forcing here. Not at least for right now. So, goodbye and enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.